Well, welcome back to Life Journey Production Studios. This is Keith Bennett, and I'm here to talk about the DuraCube by Go Power and the expansion kit by Go Power. I also have the regular kit that comes with the 30 amp solar charge controller, and it comes with a number of cables. And so I do have both, but I want to focus on the expansion kit today and the DuraCube. I'm actually charging the DuraCube right now. We're at 95%, and I have this cable plugged in. Now, normally this kit comes with this regular cable, but mine was not working today, so I was able to combine two cables, one that came with it, and this came with my other kit, and then this piece right here came with the expansion kit, so I could combine those, and I have this ability to charge it. For the DuraCube, I also have this 120 watt charger, so I can pull it out in the back in port 17, and I'll show you that in a minute. And now I have it charging with the regular charger, and this will charge it a little faster than a solar panel. I don't have exact direct sun right now, but I do have sun. It is producing a charge, and so we'll plug it back in and you guys can monitor that. So it's charging. So you have a 100 watt solar charger. You have two USB A ports on the side, so you can charge your smartphone either with a lightning port or a USB-C port or whatever else you want to plug in. So you have two ports there. You have the port right here. So you can plug this in to charge your DuraCube, which produces 500 watts. It'll do about 2,000 cycles of charging. And again, it's a quiet sine wave, has a fan in the back, so it's a great charger. You have two regular 110s, four USB-A ports, one USB-C. You have the ability to turn on and off DC and AC power, and you even have the ability to plug in a battery charger, or for a small car, you could do a jump start right here, and that plugs into this port right here. Now be careful you don't lose the little rubber thing. I will find it after we're done with the video here. So the solar panels come in a nice container. Let me grab that for you. So this is this soft container, and again, it just slides in. The solar panel has handles when you fold it up, slides in here, and then in the back you have a zipper pocket that holds all the accessories. And I'll show you another solar panel here that I have that's identical to it. It just comes with more features, and that's this one right here. So you can see it just easily pulls out, and it has fold out legs on the back right here on both sides. And you just fold those out, fold it out, and set it up. And I know you can only see part of that, but that's how it folds out. This one's a little dirty because I've had it out before. And then this panel comes with a number of cables. So it does come with this. It comes with the ability to add two more solar panels to it. You have all of these cables that come in the kit. So you have a regular cable like that. You have the extension cable right here, and a cable, extension cable. And then you have a cable that you can charge a battery that has fuses built into it right here. So you have a fuse built in. So you have all of those cables that come with it. And then in the pack that I got today, it has two of these extension cables. So if you are going to add this, you can go out this far, 2 links. And so that gives you the ability to charge. And then with the extra little cable that isn't working for me, it gives you quite a bit of distance to move these solar panels around. So you could have 3 of these. This will only take 120 watts when it's charging. So 2 of these would be too big for charging the DuraCube, but any other battery, you would be able to do that. And with multiple solar panels, you could charge your RV. Move it as the sun moves, or if you put solar panels on your RV, you can't move those panels. You'd have to move your trailer. So having portable panels at your RV location would be a great solution, or at your house. So if all of a sudden the power went out and it's a sunny day, you can keep charging this while you plug a couple necessities in here. So you can make phone calls, you could charge your phone, you could even take a little stove and charge it. I'm going to be using this kit on remote shoots, and I want to give a shout out to Go Power. They did not sponsor this video. It's not a sponsored video, but because I got to join them on a shoot in Dallas, Oregon with Foresgt River, who they provide panels for, and all of these accessories, I was able to meet them, and they were so gracious to send me this kit so I could use it in a portable setting, because they felt bad about the kit I had. I was using a Pulse Buff lithium battery, and it was really loud fans, so this will give me a quiet solution as we're out doing remote shoots. So I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes look at the GoPower 100-watt solar panel, the two USB ports, the ability to charge a DuraCube, and then a couple specs just to make sure you know. Temperature rating is somewhere between 32 degrees and 104 degrees, or 0 Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. The dimensions are 9.84 by 7.48 by 945, that's inches, 250 millimeters by 190 by 240. And then the weight is about 18.7 pounds or 8.5 kilograms. It's got simultaneous charge and discharge, so you could be charging it and plugged into it at the very same time. The cell chemistry is LiFePO4. Again, 512 peak watts, 40 amps, 12.8 volts, and 2,000 cycles. Make sure if you're going to store it, you leave it fully charged, and every 6 months give it a full charge. And it's got over/under voltage, over current, over temperature protection. Again, the AC charger is 120 volts, and frequency is 60 hertz. AC wave form is pure sine wave. Continuous output 500 watts. Peak output 1,000 watts a second. 4 USB-A ports, 5 volt, 2.4A 18 volt port. 4 USB-A 5 volt, 2.4 amp, 18 watt maximum combined power. 1 USB-C, 5 2.4s, 1 9 volt, 2 amp, and 1 12 volt, 1.5 amp. It's got 2 12 volt, 5 amp barrel connections and DC 12 volt cigarette port. So you can actually charge this with a cigarette port right here. And that's not included, so you have to order that extra. And again, you have DC on and off, AC on and off, 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, 2 12 volt ports, charging port right here for a cigarette lighter adapter. And then obviously you have the ability to do the jump start of a small car, 200 amps, or you can use it to charge your battery. And again, you can use a wall charger, 120 volt max. It's 12 to 30 volts, 8 amps, and then solar charging. It's got a built-in MPPT charge controller with a maximum input of 120 watts. So you don't need one of these to use it because it's built in side of it, so you don't overcharge it. So I think it's a great solution for a portable battery. It's aluminum chassis. Here's the 2 charging ports in the back, and they're different sizes so you can't get them wrong. And then on the side, you got GoPower logo. That side, you got GoPower logo. Rubber feet on the bottom, and you got an intake fan there, or outtake, and then you actually can turn it on, and there's your readout, and I'll give you a close-up of that. It shows you when it's charging. It shows you when AC and DC is on. It shows you lots of different information. It even has a clock. It's great to have solar panels from GoPower. Great to have this beautiful aluminum chassis DuraCube 500 watt output, and I think that's going to be an amazing tool for me. 2,000 cycles of charging, so that should last me a number of years on my remote shoots, and it'll be fun to have it. Thank you, GoPower, for helping me out here with this kit. And again, this is not sponsored. I told them I am going to do a video as a thank you. They don't have any influence on what I'm saying, but I am really liking what I found right now. I just wish my power cord would have worked in my solar panel expansion kit, but that could happen to any company. So anyways, again, thank you for tuning in. My name is Keith. This is Life Journey Production Studios, and I hope to see you in many other videos.